Okay guys, so we just passed Dundas and 9th line. We are going towards Dundas and Trafalgar. You can see those buildings over there, Dundas and Trafalgar. There's a huge plaza over here that has all the amenities like Canadian Tire, the gas stations, grocery, food options. Okay, so I just passed Dundas and Trafalgar, and then there's another plaza here on the left. The main area for this project, CAIVAN, is at 6th line and Dundas. But there's the Walmart, and there is the Longo Superstore. Okay, so we're driving down Dundas, and there is 6th line on the right after passing Trafalgar. Well, we're gonna make a right here on 6th line. And it's 6th line and Marvin Avenue. So if we keep driving, you can see there is development here. But if you keep driving here, you can see there are some townhouses already built here on the left. And Marvin Avenue is coming up after this light. Okay, so just keep driving down. And I'm actually timing it from how far it is from the intersection at Dundas and 6th line. Okay, so we just keep going. And it's gonna come up on the left side, so you can see that there's development on the right, but the CAIVAN project will be on the left. And it's coming up. Just keep going. Okay. Oh, and there it is, CAIVAN. That's it, all over there. So I actually passed it. I'll just do a UE here. So it was a minute and 14 seconds from the Dundas and 6th line exit. Sorry, intersection. But basically, there it is over there, CAIVAN. All right. Yep. So this is the site, CAIVAN, and if you keep going straight over there, then you'll hit Dundas and 6th line.